Hi everyone, Gareth here from Collective with your latest property market update. Over the past 3 months, the Wellington market has been very flat, and that's probably the most honest way to describe it. Prices haven't moved significantly, and we're seeing a fairly even balance between buyers and sellers. There is activity, open home numbers are steady, and buyers are still transacting, but they're very cautious and very price driven. So right now, it's a market where there's opportunity, but not a lot of upward pressure on prices. Now, the really important part of what's coming up next. As we move further into the year, there are a couple of factors likely to come into play: interest rate uncertainty and the upcoming election. Both of these tend to create hesitation in the market, particularly from buyers, which can slow things down and make conditions more challenging for sellers. What that means is while the market is flat today, the window we're in right now actually is relatively stable and predictable, and that's not something we can always rely on, especially with the factors at play later in the year. So for anyone considering selling, it's less about trying to pick the peak and more about choosing a time when buyers are active and decision making is clear. With stock levels starting to drop, as they often do heading into winter, now could be the best time to go to market, ahead of what the rest of 2026 may bring. If you'd like to talk through what the best timing looks like for your property, chat to your local Collective salesperson. For those of you that like stats, those are coming up next. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next quarter.